People often are amazed by what I do and openly express their admiration and desire to one day achieve something likewise. And I'm not talking about these facecharts here. What people find truly amazing is the collaborative work that I do for some of the major brands within the beauty industry. I am a makeup designer. Once the connection is made between understanding light and shadow as used in facecharts and what the essence of makeup really is, the world opens up. In 6 weeks of online lessons, you will learn to design any desired makeup look using facecharts, from fundamental basics to the most advanced imaginable. Creativity is like a muscle. You can train it. Together we will dive deep into what tools and product to use, go through color theory and how to implement this theory in makeup. You will learn how to blend and mix colors to build depth, keep proportion and correctly implement light and shadow. I will give you the access to all knowledge and techniques, including secret ones I never shared with anyone before. You don't need any background in makeup or art education. This course is what you need. Designing makeup and collaborating with some of the leading brands is like a dream come true for me. My love for makeup and art formed at an early age. Back in the days in my childhood, growing up in Ukraine, at the time my family and I sometimes had to search endlessly for edible mushrooms because we had barely enough to eat. You can imagine that luxuries such as makeup were certainly not to play with for me. My mom, for example, sometimes bought like Lancome mascara at so-called dealer illegally. And without touching it herself, she stored it on the high top of the wardrobe. So no one could reach it, no one but me. Can you imagine the trouble I would be if she found out I was secretly borrowing some of her kit when she wasn't around? I was risking my life for makeup. So I chased my dreams and followed my path to Amsterdam to one day be immersed in makeup. Let me guide you on this creative journey. I will teach you to level up your makeup skills. Whether you're a seasoned makeup pro or just starting out, by the time you finish this course, you will have all the tools to become a professional, talented makeup designer. My name is Liza Kondrevich and this is Makeup Designer Academy.